Hi everyone again. I'm so thrilled to see you on this channel. And if you are new here, I am Dina and I'm into English. I'm actually a learner, so I still make mistakes and I'm not afraid of making mistakes because I don't focus on being perfect. Keep in mind that don't study hard, like don't focus on your English 2, 3, or 4 hours a day. Instead, focus on at least 15 minutes or 20 minutes, maybe half an hour. And that's enough for you to reach like significant progress in the future and significant results. And if you just beat yourself up, if you criticize, like I make a lot of mistakes, I make grammar mistakes, or I have pronunciation problems, no, don't think about it, because those are the fears that keeps you behind and doesn't let you go forward. Okay, in this lesson, I'm going to talk about letter C. Is it C or K? I know a lot of learners in the beginning, they get confused. Is it C or K? Actually, there are some rules and that we have to know. So, if there is I, E, and Y after letter C, it is pronounced like C. Yes, I, E, and Y. Let's read the words. C, city, city. Yes, this is city. Center or center. Center. We drop the T and center. Center. The next one is celebrity or celebrity. Flap T here, right? Celebrity. 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 And this one is circle. 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 Where in the circle? Make a circle. Make 2 circles. Okay, century, century, 21st century, 21st century, 19th century. This one, after C, we can see the letter Y. Cycle or bicycle, right? Cycle. And the next one is recycle, recycle, recycle. And the last word is cyclone. 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 So after C, we can see I, E, I, E, Y, and Y. One of my previous lessons, I mentioned that if the word ends to letter E, it is silent, right? It is not pronounced. So the last letter E is silent. Okay, it's time to take a look at the next row. So in this case, if there is A, O, and U, A, O, U, so those are all vowels, right? If there is A, O, U after letter C, it's pronounced like K. Okay. Career, career. Careful, 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 careful. This one, coast, coast, coast. And this one, I really love this word. Yes, confidence. Speak English confidently or speak English with confidence. So confidence, confidence. This one, cupboard, cupboard, cupboard. And the next one is cute, cute, cute. What a cute baby, or what a cute cat or kitten. Okay, this one, curiosity, curiosity, curiosity. And last but not least, courage, courage, courage. And in this case, after C, we can see letters A, O, and U. Remember, before those vowels, we pronounce the letter C as K. K. Okay, let's review all the words one more time. If there is I-E-Y, right? After C, it is pronounced like C. City, center, celebrity, circle, century, cycle, recycle, cyclone. Okay, now in this case, if there is A, O, and U after C, so it is pronounced like K. Carrier, careful, coast, confidence, cupboard, cute, curiosity, courage. Okay, so commit and don't quit. If you're committed to English, you're going to succeed one day. The bottom line is enjoy the process and keep learning and keep improving. Thanks for watching my video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.